Oh, now go on it. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So we are at 100 subscribers, and 100 subscribers not due to only my efforts. All the way, do it. So you click subscribe, you over you, all the way, all of us. And I want to thank you guys so very much. Thank you for click subscribe. It might seem like a little thing, you just clicking subscribe on your phone, but look, it's 100 of us, 100 persons click subscribe. So YouTube messaged me Friday, which is the 15th, or which was the 15th, to say congratulations, you hit 100 subscribers. YouTube is a $1 billion company, or trillion, a whole lot of money. And they saw it necessary to message me and say congratulations, we've got to 100 subscribers. Now on the last channel, or on the first channel, where we are at 14,000, 14.4, I was not this appreciative of 100 subscribers, because I just wanted to get to 1,000 and 4,000 watch hours so I could be monetized and be making money. And that took away a whole lot. It took away from the enjoyment. And with this channel, I don't want to miss that. I definitely do not want to miss that. So thank you. And I want you to know that I am very much aware that 100 subscribers is not only because of my efforts, it's because of all of us. Now, apart from being grateful and for thanking you guys, I want to have you involved. I want you guys to be a part of YouTube. And yes, me know everybody I do YouTube, probably YouTube and your thing, you don't want to go in front of the camera, you don't know nothing about editing. Yes, me know, we'll just get through all of that. But listen to me, 2021 guys, it is the year of businesses. Businesses that are COVID proof, which means businesses that are online. I know you see it, everyone sees it, businesses are closing down, things are getting tougher. And you do not want to miss out on this, guys. Just hear me out, please. So I don't know what it is that you're passionate about. Probably it's painting, probably it's cooking, I don't know. But I was able to transform my passion, which was creating, cinematography, all of that. I was able to convert it into video. And on the first channel, we got to 14,000 subscribers with that. I also think 2021 might potentially be one of the most violent years in history. The reason why I think that is because, as I said, businesses are closing down. Cost of living is going to be more difficult for persons to be able to sustain. And we have to be prepared for that. And one of the avenues that I see is YouTube and advertisement. Hear me out. Look at the number, you can see it. I know, I understand, like being in front of the camera, it can be intimidating. Like when I was vlogging with my BlackBerry D-Tech 60, you guys can Google and see how hideous that phone looks. Like I was seen as an idiot, right? I was seen as stupid. No, honestly. And I know it can be intimidating, but I'm here to tell you, you don't even have to be in front of the camera, guys. You don't. Anything that you're passionate about and you can convert that to video, it can work for you. And it is coming from me, a cinematographer, someone who edits videos. And also, I want to tell you that it's because of your encouragement throughout the years why I am here to be able to, say this to you guys. And the journey has been amazing. And I want to share it with you too. Like, I want you to experience it. Like, take it from me. As long as you can convert it to video, like, YouTube can work for you. That is the journey that you guys brought me through. All I know, you can't follow up YouTube. If everybody will watch me now go on YouTube, the platform can still hold a whole heap more persons. So don't even think that it is too late for you to join YouTube. So throw that out your head as well. Anything that you're passionate about, with me it's video editing, anything that you love, anything that gives you joy, it is 2 times, 100 times more enjoyable when you're able to share that experience. Take it from me. Apart from thanking you for taking us to 100 subscribers, I want to tell you that you can do it as well. You can do what you do from home, enjoy it, and make a living from it. So, yeah guys, thank you for 100 subscribers. Thank you for the support, thank you for the comments, thank you for the watch hours, like thank you for all of that. As I say, video is a whole lot of effort, like all of it, it's a whole lot of effort, but that is what life is. It's all about adversity. If you think that you're working to get to a point in life where you have no worries, no adversities, no challenges, I'm sorry. I have some grim news for you. life is about adversities, and you know, I learned the hard way. So I'm hoping I can share this with you so you guys don't have to learn the hard way. And as I said, a part of it is that when you experience something amazing, it is 100 times more amazing when you're able to share it with someone that can understand. Guys, this platform YouTube is amazing. Like my friend Richard, when I just met him, and he's saying he's been doing video from ever since, and then he did weddings, which is videos, and he was unable to enjoy it the way he wanted to. But the moment he was able to get his movies onto YouTube and see them working for him, man, he's the happiest guy alive. He was saying to me, he's the happiest guy alive. Forgot I can't use the N-word on here, but yeah, guys. I mean, in light of this whole corona pandemic, the lockdown, all of that stuff, like, we can still have fun on here, we can still enjoy it. And as I said, if you guys like, I can start doing tutorials showing you guys how to edit, get used to this Adobe suite. And I learned from Peter McKinnon, someone who doesn't even know I exist, and right now I'm comfortable with the suit, and I did it, and I have the toughest head in the world, so I know you guys can learn it as well. Trust me, we don't want to be left behind. Everything is going online. Don't want to be left behind. Everything is going online. That rhyme. Well, yeah, guys, big up on yourself. Thanks for your 100 subscribers. Thanks for 14,000 subscribers on the first channel. As I said, you guys are a big part of the reason why I'm here to, you know, say thanks, because of the journey that you guys got me through, the encouraging comments and all of that. And you can do it too. You can have the same experience. You can go to Western Union and pick up your money and feel that sense of fulfillment. I did it. I passed it on to someone else, and I want to pass it on to you guys, because, you know, sometimes I feel as if I should have been doing this a long time, you know, sharing this with you so you guys can, you know, get with it. So yeah, definitely tell me in the comments, what is it that you're passionate about? Let me tell you how we can convert it to video. Let me tell you how you can get comfortable with it and enjoy it and make money from it. So yeah, 100 subscribers. Hopefully we can get to, I don't know, whatever we believe in. That is the first thing that needs to happen. You need to believe. So big up on yourself as usual. Thank you for tuning. See you on our next one. Later.